Woohoo! We're back with another dog ingredients. We've got hamburger and crock pot chicken that I just made. Some sweet potatoes. Look at these beautiful vegetables. It looks like a salsa, and you could turn it into a salsa. It's got carrots, bell pepper, cucumber, a little bit of radish, tomatoes. Well, I think that's it. I can't remember what else I put in there. I think that's it. And then we got some peanut butter and Greek yogurt. So let's get this all squared away. Okay, we're back and it's all mixed up. And doesn't that just look fantastically gross? But the dogs love it. And of course, we've got our salmon oil in it. And we've got Clicker Bella. Always, they're here with me. Scratch, you want some breakfast? Scratch, you want some breakfast? Come on, baby boy. And he always says thank you, huh? You're a good boy, yes. Get your foods. Good boy. Oh, what? You too happy? Too happy. Yeah. And I'm not too late today. 12:16. Good babies. Good babies. I love it when he gets those big eyes.